Alright, so the next thing we'll be doing is when we put it in the Ford Assist. It's got a groove on one side, which is the roll pin. That's how it retains it. So it goes in just like that. We hold it in with a punch from the top side, and then I'll be using a roll pin tool to install it. I got these from Proto. I think Amazon. They weren't that expensive. But it has the exact size that I need for that roll pin. I just didn't want to mar anything up. It is a nice finish. So. Put a little oil on the end of it. I'm going to start it with the hammer and finish it out with the roll pin tool. You can see that the roll pin is taken over. And you can tell it went in pretty good. Looks good.